Just 3 small vitamins to stop frequent urination at night. Life is full of hidden solutions, small changes that create big results. Sometimes, the most unexpected solutions come from the simplest adjustments. What if something easy, almost effortless, could make a noticeable difference in your daily life? It's time to uncover a surprising yet powerful secret that might just change everything. Number 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in overall health, but did you know it could also help reduce frequent urination at night? If you find yourself making multiple trips to the bathroom when you should be sleeping, a lack of vitamin D might be part of the problem. This essential nutrient helps regulate bladder function by supporting the detrusor muscle, which controls bladder contractions. When vitamin D levels are low, the bladder can become overactive, leading to nocturia, frequent nighttime urination. Research has shown that vitamin D deficiency is linked to overactive bladder symptoms, making it an important factor to consider if you're struggling with interrupted sleep due to bathroom visits. Vitamin D itself isn't a combination of nutrients but exists in 2 main forms: vitamin D2, ergocalciferol, which comes from plant-based sources and fortified foods, and vitamin D3, cholecalciferol, which is found in animal sources and is also synthesized by the skin when exposed to sunlight. Both forms play a role in maintaining calcium balance, muscle function, and nerve health, all of which are essential for proper bladder control. Beyond bladder health, vitamin D has many benefits, including supporting the immune system, strengthening bones, reducing inflammation, and aiding in nerve function. So, how much vitamin D should you take if you're dealing with frequent urination at night? The general recommended daily intake is between 600 to 800 IU for adults, but if you have a deficiency, higher doses between 1000 to 2000 IU might be needed. Always check with a healthcare provider before increasing your dosage because too much vitamin D can be harmful. Excessive intake can lead to vitamin D toxicity, which causes hypercalcemia, high calcium levels in the blood. This can result in nausea, vomiting, weakness, confusion, kidney stones, and ironically, more frequent urination. That's why balance is key. The best time to take vitamin D is in the morning or afternoon with a meal that contains healthy fats, like eggs, fish, or avocado, since fat helps with absorption. Some people find that taking vitamin D at night disrupts their sleep, so it's best to avoid it before bed. If you prefer to get your vitamin D through food, some of the best sources include fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, egg yolks, fortified dairy products, such as milk, yogurt, and cheese, fortified cereals, mushrooms, especially if exposed to sunlight, and plant-based milks with added vitamin D. You can also get vitamin D naturally by spending 10 to 30 minutes in the sun daily. If sunlight isn't an option due to weather or lifestyle, supplements are a great alternative. They come in various forms, including tablets, capsules, and liquid drops. To maximize absorption, consider pairing vitamin D intake with magnesium-rich foods like nuts and leafy greens. To improve bladder control and reduce nighttime bathroom trips, make sure you're getting enough vitamin D. Spend time outside, eat vitamin D-rich foods, or consider a supplement if needed. Pay attention to your body's response and consult a doctor if symptoms persist. Small changes can make a big difference, especially when they help you get the restful sleep you deserve. Number 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is often praised for its immune-boosting properties, but did you know it can also play a role in reducing frequent urination at night? If you're constantly waking up to use the bathroom, your bladder health might need a little extra support, and vitamin C could be part of the solution. This powerful antioxidant helps strengthen the bladder lining, reduce inflammation, and support collagen production, all of which contribute to better bladder control. When the bladder lining is weak or irritated, it can become overactive, leading to that frustrating urge to go multiple times during the night. But by ensuring you're getting enough vitamin C, particularly in the right forms, you might be able to ease this issue and finally get the uninterrupted sleep you deserve. So, how exactly does vitamin C help? First, its ability to reduce inflammation is key. Bladder irritation is often a major trigger for frequent urination, and vitamin C works as an antioxidant to neutralize harmful free radicals that cause damage to bladder tissues. Additionally, it supports the production of collagen, which is essential for maintaining the strength and flexibility of the bladder walls. Some studies also suggest that bioflavonoid-rich vitamin C, found in citrus fruits, can help calm bladder spasms, making it easier to hold urine longer and avoid those annoying nighttime interruptions. However, not all forms of vitamin C are equally beneficial. Acidic forms, like pure ascorbic acid, may actually irritate the bladder in some individuals. That's why choosing a buffered or non-acidic form, such as calcium ascorbate or sodium ascorbate, is a smarter option if you're prone to bladder sensitivity. Now, let's talk about how much you should take. The recommended daily intake of vitamin C for adults is 65 to 90 milligrams, but for bladder health, a slightly higher dose of 250 to 500 milligrams per day might be more effective. Be cautious, though taking more than 2000 milligrams per day can lead to side effects like kidney stones, stomach discomfort, and ironically, even bladder irritation. If you're taking supplements, it's best to split the dose throughout the day, such as 250 milligrams in the morning and 250 milligrams in the afternoon, for better absorption. Speaking of timing, the best time to take vitamin C is with meals, preferably in the morning or afternoon, as it can sometimes cause mild stomach upset if taken on an empty stomach. It's also smart to avoid taking it right before bed, just in case it increases urination frequency in some individuals. For those who prefer to get their nutrients naturally, foods rich in vitamin C include oranges, lemons, strawberries, bell peppers, kiwi, pineapple, tomatoes, and leafy greens like kale and spinach. Try adding these foods to smoothies, salads, or snacks to naturally boost your intake. Another pro tip: pair vitamin C-rich foods with magnesium and potassium-rich foods, like bananas and nuts, to further support bladder function. So, what's the takeaway? If you're struggling with nighttime urination, getting the right type and amount of vitamin C could help. Whether through food or supplements, adding this powerful antioxidant to your routine may be the small yet effective change that finally helps you sleep through the night. Number 3. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve function, muscle control, and red blood cell production, all of which play a crucial role in bladder health. If you're waking up multiple times a night to urinate, your body might be lacking B12, leading to poor nerve communication between your brain and bladder. This can cause false signals, making you feel like you need to urinate more often than necessary. B12 helps protect and repair nerve cells, ensuring proper bladder function and reducing unnecessary contractions that contribute to frequent urination. Additionally, B12 supports myelin production, a protective coating around nerves that helps regulate bladder activity. When B12 levels are too low, the bladder can become overactive, leading to urgency, leaks, and disrupted sleep. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, works closely with folate, vitamin B9, and iron to support nerve health, energy production, and muscle strength. A deficiency can weaken the pelvic floor muscles, making it harder to control urination. Beyond bladder health, B12 is crucial for preventing anemia, boosting energy, improving brain function, and supporting heart health. If you often feel fatigued, dizzy, or experience tingling in your hands and feet, these could be signs of B12 deficiency, and increasing your intake may also help with bladder control. The recommended daily intake for adults is 2.4 micrograms, but if you have a deficiency or bladder issues, 500 to 1000 micrograms per day may be beneficial. Since B12 is water-soluble, excess amounts are excreted, making overdosing rare. However, people with kidney disease should consult a doctor, as excess B12 can accumulate in the body. Morning is the best time to take B12, as it boosts energy and metabolism. Taking it at night may increase alertness, disrupting sleep. B12 is found in animal-based foods like beef liver, shellfish, clams, mussels, oysters, fatty fish, salmon, tuna, trout, eggs, and dairy products. Vegetarians and vegans can get it from fortified foods like plant-based milk, cereals, and nutritional yeast, or take B12 supplements in pill, liquid, or injection form. To improve bladder control and reduce nighttime urination, focus on getting enough B12 daily through food or supplements. Addressing a deficiency may be the simple yet effective change that helps you sleep through the night without interruptions. Getting a good night's sleep without constant bathroom trips is possible with the right vitamins. Try these simple solutions and take control of your bladder health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more health tips. Stay healthy, stay informed, and see you next time.